Hello everyone, I'm Calculator Coder 99. In this video, I'll be showing you how to write your first program using TI Basic for the TI-84 Plus CE graphing calculator. For any programming language, the first thing you have to learn is how to display text, and in TI Basic, it's a pretty simple thing to code. Let's look at that now. When you open up the calculator, the first thing you want to do to create a program is to open up the program menu by pressing the PRGM key or program key on the calculator. Then you press the right arrow key twice to get to the new menu. Then you press enter on the create new option. Let's name our program. If you look at the cursor, you'll see that there's an A flashing inside of it, which means that you are in the alpha lock mode. When you're in the alpha lock mode, any key you press will instead type the letter in green above said key. So if I press the math key, instead I'll type an A. Using this alpha lock, let's name it program. I'll name it hello. Press the caret to do the H. Press the sign key to do the E. Press the closing parentheses to do the L. Press it again. And then press the 7 to type the O. And then hit enter. Now we are in the program editor on the calculator, where you type in commands that the calculator executes during the program. If you press the program key again, now you can see there are a whole bunch of menus full of commands at your disposal. The only key we're using for this program is the display command. So let's arrow key right to the in and out menu, then arrow key down to the display command, the disp here. Let's press enter, and now the disp command is copied and pasted into the program editor. Now we just have to type the text that we want to display. In order to get the text back up, we have to put the A lock back on, the alpha lock. We do that by pressing second and then alpha. To start off the text, we have to type in an open quotation mark. We do that by pressing the plus key. The quotation mark has been displayed. And now we can type in the text that we want to display. So let's type it in. I'm going to type in hello world. In order to add a space, you have to press the 0 key. If you make a mistake, you can arrow key to the left and press the delete key. And if you want to insert something back, you press second and then delete to insert the next key. Now let's go back and finish. Then we just have the W, the O, the R, the L, and the D. To finish off the text, we have to put a quotation at the end now. And that's the text that we have here. This display command will display everything inside the quotation marks, but not the quotation marks themselves. The next thing we have to do is run the program itself. First, we gotta exit the program editor, and we do that by pressing the second and then the mode button for quit. This command usually works for any menu in the calculator, not just in programs. If you want to execute, first you have to press the program key again. This should take you back to the original program screen. If you want to edit the program, you can right key and then select it. But now we want to execute it instead. So instead, we go to the execute menu, exec here, and then we press the program. This is the run command. If you press enter here, then it'll run the program itself. Let's do that. And see, look here, the text hello world has been displayed. And congratulations, you've coded your very first program in TI Basic. Leave a like below if you enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next video.